Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single compelling offer and the exact audience you want to reach. Explain why this matters. A focused message converts faster. Once done, set the format, 15, 30, or 60 seconds, and sketch a three-part narrative. Hook, value, call to action. Make sure to note budget limits and key visuals you already have. This first step moves you from idea to production-ready plan, so you can shoot or source assets immediately and avoid vague, diluted ads. Now you produce the core materials you need to assemble the ad. You write a concise 3-line script that leads with a benefit, then delivers proof, and finishes with a direct CTA, include a URL or promo code. Next, collect 4 to 6 B-roll clips in the right aspect ratio and capture one short on-camera line for authenticity. Once shot, layer a simple music bed at low volume and place a 3-second branded end card so viewers remember who you are. Finish by editing with clear pacing. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds, show the value in the middle, and place your call to action in the final 3 seconds. Export with H. 264 at 1080p and 8 to 12 Mbps for most platforms, matching the required aspect ratio. Once live, run an /B test of 2 hooks and monitor CTR and engagement. If performance is low, swap the hook or trim to a shorter version. That troubleshooting change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.